Well, good morning, Starkville. We're looking at beautiful mornings throughout most of the area right now. Just to our northeast in Amory on our Alpha Insurance Skycam, we've got a beautiful picture. Plenty of sun peeking through those few clouds and blue skies behind
Meteorologist Jessica Van Meter. We have some showers and thunderstorms that passed through our area early this morning. Most of those have pushed off to the east into portions of Alabama, but we saw a few severe thunderstorm warnings with those, and that included a few hail reports. Most of those were from the northern part of this viewing area in Lee and Itawamba counties, up to 1.5 inches hail reported there with those. And we even had some pictures sent in this morning. This one you can see the hail on the hands and plenty on the ground as well. And that was sent in by Carrie from Shannon this morning.
Sunshine and blue skies, but it is still pretty chilly out there. Don't be deceived before you head outside. You want to grab that jacket. Great night to go out and actually see the stars for a change if you happen to be outside. No matter what time you wake up tomorrow for Saturday, it's going to be beautiful outside. Plenty of sunshine, 34 degrees at 8 a.m., 43 at 10. You know, if you think, it's Saturday, I'm sleeping in. If you wake up at noon, 50 degrees, great temperature to start your day. Southerly winds influencing our weather this week. No more of the fall-like conditions we saw last week. And those southerly winds are going to bring warmer temperatures and increased humidity, so it's going to feel more like summer, even though it is technically fall now. However, if you don't like it, just wait till this weekend. We are looking for some relief in the form of a cold front. We also got some cooler dew points, which is what's going to make it feel really comfortable and crisp the next few days. We started out yesterday at 68 degrees at 11 a.m. That's more typical of what you see during the summer months when it's so humid and sticky outside. This red. Now, it's not quite as strong as we have been seeing as far as the debris ball signature goes, but we do still have a tornado on the ground. It's just not going through all the forested areas and picking up a lot of debris. We have more farmland and pastures out here, so there's not a lot to pick up. We are still seeing that rotation just to the east of Highway 8, coming up on the Natchez Trace, heading over towards Highway 45, alternate 45, right between Okolona and Egypt. So if you are planning on traveling that way, you might want to hold off on your plans a little bit. 45. If you're anywhere between Egypt and Okolona, you can probably hear that hail coming down. Definitely not a situation you want to be on the road if you're experiencing baseball-sized hail. That can break your windshield very easily and cause some dangerous situations out there. And into Monroe County in the next 20 to 30 minutes or so. So folks over in Monroe County need to be getting ready for this storm right now. Good morning, Starkville. We are looking at a bit of a change in our weather. We've had clear skies most of the week, but we are seeing rain on our satellite and radar right now. Most of that is off to our north and east right now, even some areas of eastern Tennessee getting some ice out of this. But right here, we're just looking at a few sprinkles around our area, and that's mostly resulting in heavy clouds that kind of just look a little dreary out there. Right here in West Point, you can see those pretty well. But those clouds did keep us pretty warm overnight tonight. A lot of us only ended up in the 40s, and that allowed us to warm up quite a bit already today. 64, a little warmer than we've been all week. Southwest wind at 14 miles an hour, bringing in a lot of that warm, moist air. The sad news is with the clouds, we're not going to top out much warmer than that. We have got quite a difference of temperature associated with this front right now. 67 in Jackson, 37 in Memphis, 30 degrees difference with this front that's kind of sitting just to our north, and that's what's sparking all of those showers that we're seeing throughout the area. Right here, though, we are just seeing a few of those north of Tupelo for the most part, and then even farther into Tennessee. In Starkville, we're just dealing with some of those clouds right now. Those showers are going to come later, though. Futurecast showing around 5 p.m. through Starkville, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham. Just very light showers. Shouldn't be anything too terribly concerning. Maybe a sprinkle or two on your way home from work. But behind that, we are going to start to clear out and see the sun again, and we're also going to see some cooler temperatures for tonight. By Saturday, though, most of those clouds have pushed down to the south, and then we are going to see clear skies through Saturday and then into Sunday morning. But by Sunday afternoon, we're going to start to see those clouds build in from the west. We should still see a few peaks of sunshine. Still be a beautiful weekend out there. For today, we'll have that chance of rain throughout the afternoon hours. 66 degrees for our high today, southwest wind at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, we'll see a little bit lower than we were this afternoon or this morning, 39 degrees, and we will see those clearing skies as that wind shifts to the north once that front passes through. If you're waking up tomorrow, we'll see a few extra clouds around 8 a.m., but then mostly sunny skies in the 40s before noon, 51. By noon, we'll get up to a high of around 56 degrees, a little cooler than today behind that front, but it should be mostly sunny outside, so that'll make up for it a little bit and make it feel even nicer outside than it does today. And then that temperature is going to continue to rise as we go throughout our 5-day forecast. 61 for Sunday, a few of those clouds as they build back into the area. 67 for Monday. Tuesday, 72. We have not seen 70s on our 5-day forecast in quite a while, but we're going to hope for them on Tuesday. But that's also going to bring the chance for some showers, maybe even a little severe weather Tuesday and into Wednesday. Wednesday, we'll see those chances mainly in the morning hours. Temperatures still at 66, though, so you can't complain at all with temperatures like that in January. Thank you for joining us for Campus Connect. Have a great day.